So I just returned to the United States from a month-long trip to Vietnam. I really need to properly iron these clothes. Straight out of the box, everything is well packaged. Here's the user's guide, and here's the inventory list that you see right there. Okay. And what you see is what you get right here. So first thing you'll notice is this awesome robot vacuum looking bottom, which holds, this is the reservoir, guys, and it holds 2.5 liters or 85 ounces right here. So you can see you got 4 settings: off, silk, wool, cotton, linen. This is the water indicator, this connection, and it's got wheels and it can go pretty much anywhere. You can take it, and here's what the bottom looks like. And let me show you on the back. And here is the power cord, and this is the water plug. All right. So now I'm getting ready to install it. First, I'm going to loosen the telescopic rod. This will be facing the back. Thicker goes towards the bottom. The thinner one goes towards the top. Okay, so you just insert it in here to the slot. Same for the other side. Okay, now I'm going to extend the telescopic rods and then lock it in place by clamping it down on both of these hinges. So I decided to finish assembly in my master bedroom because this is where I intend on keeping this steamer. My next step is to attach the steam hose. Okay, simply insert it into here and then to lock it in place by turning it clockwise. Next step is to install the multifunctional hanger on top of the telescopic rods, and make sure this is the front facing forward because this comes down like this. Sure this locks in place. Next, insert the collar hanger. Now I can hang the steam nozzle on the collar hanger. There are 3 ways of using the multifunctional hanger. One, you can simply hang it onto the hanger itself. Or you can use the hanger tool. Or you can use a drop-down bar with the clips. Alright, I have this very wrinkled Calvin Klein 100% cotton button-down shirt that I brought with me to Vietnam. It's all wrinkly. Now it's time to iron it. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the reservoir and fill it with water. Although they recommend distilled water, tap water is fine. So I'm going to fill the reservoir. Make sure you're using cold water and not hot water. Okay, put it back in the reservoir. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it to cotton. And in 45 seconds, I should have steam. I really like the cool LED lights. You always be on the lookout, make sure the reservoir has enough water. Even though it's tinted, you can slightly see some water level in there. Yeah, I can hear it boiling the water. And in less than, I think it was 30 seconds or so, I have steam. Okay, so here's how you iron the shirt. You basically touch the shirt and move it in a up to down motion until all the wrinkles are free. Here's how you will use the mini ironing board. It's designed to help you iron the corners of the clothing, such as the collars. Okay, it's a real cool little tool. And also helps to, with one hand, just hold the clothing while you run it down. See, let's go ahead and remove all these wrinkles. And don't forget, this is a button down 100% cotton shirt. And of course, be careful of steam because it is hot. Okay, I think I'm done with the front, and with the easy access wheels, I can simply move it and get to the back so I can iron the back of the shirt. How does that look? It looks better than before. I'm sure if I spend more time in it, it will look like it's cleanly pressed. And don't forget, once you steam it, it requires probably some time for it to dry off, so you can't wear it right away. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to use the fabric brush. Make sure the unit is off, otherwise you'll be hurting with steam. You don't want that. So you simply attach this to here. Basically what it's used for is to help to brush away particles such as lint and hairs and loose threads. So you basically iron the same, but now you're also removing the lint particles and anything that might be trapped on your clothing while you steam. Alright, now I have a pair of PurSteam dress pants. That's a little bit wrinkly right here. I'm using one of the drop down with the clips. Of course, you can iron it regularly with the hose itself, but I'm going to use this pants press attachment. Make sure, of course, that's off. And here's how you will install the unit. Just simply clip in here. So what this does is it provides a more finished look for your pants and shirts, clothing items such as that. Basically how you would use it is, hold on, let me go ahead and turn this on. Because this is polyester, I'm just going to choose a different setting. I think I'm going to use a different setting. This time I'm going to use, how about let's choose wool. Go ahead and turn that on. How you will use the attachment is to simply open it and then clamp it along the creases of the pants. See? And now you have an easier way to control your steaming. So you get that crease, that straight line. It's very helpful, especially when it comes to pants. Wow, that's a pretty good job. Check out that straight creases. Wow, excellent. I just want to test the 4 settings. I think it goes from low to high, even though it says a different fabric, but I'm pretty sure the silk is the lowest level. Wool. Seems to be more steam coming out. Cotton. Even more. And linen. Oh yeah. So even though it says corresponding to the fabric, it's actually also the setting. You know, with the different fabric, it can accept higher steam and heat levels, temperatures. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the performance. I really like this new method of upright steaming because the old method using ironing board is just outdated and boring. You get 55 plus minutes of continuous steam time if you fill the water reservoir to its full capacity. And Actually takes less than about 30 seconds for steam to come out. You have 4 power settings to choose from for all of your fashion fabric needs. I do have some suggestions. It's a bigger water reservoir and maybe a handle so you can pick up easier to move. And maybe make the water reservoir not tinted so it's easier to see how much water you have left. But those are just minor hiccups. And of course, with these tools, it's going to make your ironing a lot more ordered and organized and wrinkle free. Oh yeah, and this isn't just for clothing steaming. It can also help you to steam and clean furniture, upholstery, and even bedding. So if you are in the market for an upright steamer, definitely check out the PurSteam garment steamer and be wrinkle free.